Alright, this is Opal 3-box numbers. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. John Burr down to Tim Pud. 5 times. What's up, Tim Pete? How's it going, dude? This is case, there's only 300 of these cases. This is case 204 of 300. Hey, take it easy. One to 5 on the left, 6 to 10 on the right. Let's try number 3. Number 10. And number 6. 3, 6, 10. 3, 6, 10. What's up, Ramon G? How's it going, man? I'll just go backwards. Lexi Thompson, number 9. 23, Chase Garbers. 17, Spencer Rattler. And 68, Kennedy Brooks. And this is a dual autograph. Ronnie Mauricio, Arovis Martinez. Opal dual. It's not numbered, but it ends in a 3. Glare off. ODA 3. Brad Bra, you got one of the 3 topper cards. Oh, dang it. Why didn't someone tell me? There it is. It'll be on video 5 times. Check this video camera up here when it uploads. I forgot. I thought it was on the screen the whole time. Hello? No numbers. Hello? Who's there? Sorry about that. You can watch the video if you want to see the randomizing when it uploads. If you want to see the number randomizing. I thought it was on the side of the screen. I guess I didn't hit the button. 38, Haley Van Lith. That's A. Ron's favorite player. Corbin Burnson, 46. 34, Luke Doty. And 28, Kayshawn. And lay off the hot soda. 27, John Mechie III. Damn table squeaking again. 21, George Pickens. 31, Justin Ross. And 43, Victor Hovland. And this autograph is Henry Davis. He's got Henry Davis eyes. 35. Ken gets that one. Ken, you're on the board. This one's heavy. Or it's my brother. heavy. It's my brother. These bags are made out of Kevlar. Uh, 28, Kayshawn. 41, Jalen Hurts, sometimes. 43, Julio. And 66, Orelvis Martinez. You have a magnet, silver super glow, Mac Jones. Mac Wilson. That one's not numbered. I forgot they did that. And Breece Hall. 24. Evan Phil. That one's yours. We have to what the hell? Guys yelling for. We have to randomize this Mac Jones. Or Mac Wilson. Clicking it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A. Ryan gets it. Aaron C. 5 times. Oh, I forgot to bring the video over. It was done on the live feed, but there you go. 5 times. A. Ryan. All right, that's it for that one. Thanks, everybody.